Well, this is looking pretty bad out here. The town I'm in just went fully tornado watch. For the next 24 hours, tornado watch. Looks like two storms are about to collide overhead. And that's, holy crap, that's dark. Holy hell. Oh my god. Well, the sky just pretty much opened to a massive dark cloud. Okay. And this is gonna be jam-packed tomorrow. Bright up and early in the morning. All vehicles, everything are all here. Okay. Wow. Yeah, that's coming right this way. Man, that was blue sky just a little bit ago. So that one is moving. Yeah, that storm there and that storm there are both pretty much going to collide with each other right there. If that happens, that's not going to be good. That's kind of a low base over there. That's not good. Low base there. And same thing kind of over there. But holy crap, that's like 20 times darker. You can't even see the other end. Watch those flags. They're heading due south, due north. So that's like literally coming almost directly my direction. Damn.